To attract a female, he must put on a show. Unfortunately, his eye-catching moves draw unwanted attention. A motmot with a taste for lizards. Trapped. He can't stay put, and lizards can't survive underwater. Or can they? This may be a fatal mistake. Coming up for air would mean certain death. But this is no ordinary lizard. His special water-repellent scales trap a silvery layer of air against his body. And he can stay submerged for almost 18 minutes. Long enough for this bird brain to get bored.